guys, we just came back to the office now from a sharp inspection. You know, say Madam Beck, we always do everything sharp. Now we come up from office, so we don't go land, come back. Sharp we do. You know this country now, sharp oh. How are they? Now well done. So sharp they see am. Just came back. You can see New Banana Highland banner showing there, 7 million naira per plot. Call me on 09034296519 to get your own plot of New Banana Highland. That means to the enter bush. Money bush. Na money bush. Don't be any bush. Yeah. We are back to the office. Yeah. How are you? Thank you. Oh, sorry. We are back to the office. We are back to the office. Don't forget to call Madam Peck on 09034296519 to get your own plot of New Banana Highland. Madam Peck Africa Day, and they wait for you. New Banana Highland is located off Port-Harcourt Road, and the plot is going for 7 million naira. The hearing road, you pass through New Banana Highland, so you quickly call. Yeah? Call me 09034296519.